Hello, and welcome back to the Calm and Connected podcast. I'm your host, Janine Halloran, and today I wanted to talk about how to make a calm down kit at Five Below. So, it's one place that I really like to go for some inexpensive things that can be great for use in a calm down kit. So, I took a recent trip to Five Below near my house, and I took a look around and found some things that I thought would be really great for a calm down kit. So I wanted to just review those for you as a way to help you figure out what might be a good thing for you to put in calm down kits in your area if you have a Five Below near you. So one of the first things I saw when I walked into Five Below was one of these yoga workout cubes. So basically you roll it and you can do a pose that's on the cube. It's really cool and it's a great way to encourage some movement, but I thought it would be kind of cool as a way to help kids or teens do a yoga move or a yoga pose to help them relax. Now again, this, have to keep in mind, you don't want to have kids or teens do something that makes them feel uncomfortable, that is not good for their body. But it is an interesting way to sort of be playful when using coping skills in terms of doing some yoga moves. Another thing I saw was one of these isoflex balls. So I love these as stress balls. So for those kids who really love to squeeze something, but they pop other stress balls, like they pop the mesh ones like we talked about from Oriental Trading a few weeks ago. The isoflex one is really stiff and it's harder for kids to squeeze and pop it. So that's why I really love it. So those are some great movement coping skills that you can encourage kids to use by the things that are at Five Below. As I was walking around, I actually saw this Zen Garden that's made from Himalayan salt, which sounds kind of cool. So that's something that could be considered a relaxation strategy that could be really cool. And kids could have it in their room, or you could have it in your office if you see clients in a private setting. The thing I love about Five Below is that they have a bunch of activity kits, which are great for distraction coping skills. So you could see a slime one, and I know slime is super popular, so that's one. But they also have this other one with a spider bot or a tech kit, and they also have lots of drawing supplies and artwork that you can fill in, lots of art supplies for a pretty low cost. So if you are looking for some good distractions, that would be a great place to go. Also, I found this glitter sensory jar, which is basically just a calming jar. It's really cool, and it has water beads, which I love too. So it's another way that you can encourage kids to settle themselves down by using a calming jar. You can do this together with them. You can create this thing with them, the glitter sensory bottle, and then they can use it. One of the things I love to do at Five Below is just look at all the journals. So this is great for those kids who need some processing. Journaling, like I said before, is one of my favorite coping skills to start with children and teens, just trying to figure out, okay, what are the things that are going on? It can help you think about things differently. It can help you process your emotions and your thoughts around different situations that have happened. So there's lots of journals available at Five Below. There's blank ones, but they also have these different ones that have, be magical, or if you want to do this nocturnal journal. So lots of different prompts to help kids start thinking and exploring their thoughts and emotions. So that's a great place to begin. And the other thing I just wanted to mention about Five Below is that they have lots and lots and lots of soft blankets and soft pillows. So that's great for a calm down space. Great for setting something up like that at a house or at a school. So there's lots of different things. They even had an ottoman made of mermaid fabric. So there's lots and lots of things that you can find that would be perfect for a calm down kit or even a calm down space at home or at school at Five Below. So I definitely encourage you to check it out. If you want to see some other videos I've done about calm down spaces, I've done one on Target, I've done one on Michael's, I've done one on Oriental Trading. Definitely, I'll link those up in the show notes so you can take a look around and see what I found at other places. And I plan on doing a couple more of these in the future. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to email calm@janinehalloran.com. If you like this podcast, please feel free to share it with your friends and colleagues and rate us. It helps us get found. And one last thing, please don't forget about yourself. Take a few minutes and have a little fun. Have an awesome day.